Hi, welcome to the video. Today, we'll be making taro cookies. To begin, you'll need half a cup of taro milk tea powder and half a cup of unsalted butter. In a separate mixing bowl, add the taro milk tea powder and butter and mix them until they are mixed thoroughly. Then, add an egg and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix again until the mixture is evenly mixed. In a separate bowl, prepare 1½ cups of flour and add a half a teaspoon of salt and baking soda in the same bowl. You'll also need 120 grams of white chocolate. The only ones I could find were Hershey's cookie and cream chocolate, so I decided to use those instead. Into the wet ingredients, add half of the dry ingredients and fold until they're evenly mixed. Add the remaining flour and fold. And once everything is nicely mixed, add the white chocolate and mix. With everything prepared, use a cookie scoop or a tablespoon to portion out the mixture. Shape and lay onto a baking tray with parchment paper. Bake in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 335 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 minutes. After 12 minutes of baking, take it out of the oven, and now it's time to enjoy.